You make me so happy. Hi, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian in New York City, and it's my job to help you figure out what to eat and why. Today we're talking about a enormous topic in the land of legumes, soy. Recently, it seems as if everyone has been opting for the alts. Alt milks, alt protein sources, alt music. And a lot of those alts have soy. But why? What is soy really? And where does it come from? This episode is gonna answer all of those questions and more. Aren't you soy excited to get started? Soy is the plant protein isolated from the greater soybean, and it's found in tons of foods today like soy sauce, soy protein, miso, soy lecithin, and soy milk. Some of the most nutritious soy products include edamame, tempeh, and of course, tofu. There are also many soy-based processed foods like yogurts and cheeses that can be used as vegetarian and vegan meat substitutes, as well as alternative packaged foods that use soybean oil, soy flours, and textured vegetable protein. This all sounds great, so what's all the controversy about? Soy products are very widely consumed, but many people are questioning whether or not the processed soy products are safe. Soy has a bad rep for a few reasons. It's the top GMO food produced in the US, which, though the impacts of GMOs on humans continue to be highly debated, can be a deterring factor for consumers. Also, there have been rumored connections between soy and breast cancer. Now for the good stuff. In general, soy is a good source of plant-based protein for vegetarians and vegans. Unlike other plant proteins, soy contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot make. Soy products can boost your fiber intake, which promotes a healthy GI system, helps reduce cholesterol, lessens the symptoms of menopause, and can be associated with a lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease. One of the big pros when talking about soy is its impact on heart health. A 2018 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition looked at the impact on soy on cardiovascular disease. Research suggested that soy consumption may lead to lower cholesterol via metabolic processes that lower the LDL or bad cholesterol and raising the good HDL cholesterol in our blood. The benefits of soy are not just internal. Research also suggests that the isoflavones in soy may have a positive effect on skin health, specifically that they may help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin pigmentation. Now that you're skin the loop, let's talk about some of the cons. You've probably heard a lot of the negative buzz around soy products, but a lot of these notions are conspiracies or hearsay, especially when it comes to breast cancer. Soy contains goitrogens, which are substances that can negatively impact the thyroid by blocking iodine absorption. While animal studies have shown that soy isoflavones block the production of thyroid hormones, several studies that use humans as subjects found that soy isoflavones had no significant effect on thyroid hormone production. Though high levels of estrogen have been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer, and soy does contain these isoflavones or plant estrogens, foods like tofu, edamame, and soy milk don't contain high enough levels of isoflavones to increase the risk of breast cancer. And for the rest of the soy products, the research just isn't there. So here's what I've been thinking. Like all foods, soy should be eaten occasionally and in moderation rather than all the time. If consuming soy, stick with non-GMO options or whole soybean products rather than overly processed ones when possible. If you have a history of breast cancer, hypothyroidism, or an underactive thyroid, talk to your doctor about what intake is best for you. So what does moderation look like? Well, go for 2 servings a day, which the majority of us don't even get anyway, which is about a cup of edamame, 3 ounces of tofu, or 1 cup of soy milk. Overall, soy has many health protective benefits. If you are someone who suffers from diabetes or cardiovascular disease, then adding soy into your diet while removing saturated fat and protein can be a smart move. Most of the studies showing negative effects of soy consumption have either been inconclusive or have been completed on animals. While more research is needed, soy is a healthy addition to any well-balanced diet. And if you need more convincing, consider that Asian cultures, known for being some of the healthiest in the world, rely on soy for a large part of their diet. Soya bean up to much lately? No? Well, in the meantime, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel. You make me soy happy.